Okay, everybody, I want to let you know about the FH code on my Whirlpool Duet. Now, everything was checked out. I checked out all the little parts like the water inlet valve back here, the flow meter right here, and also the water sensor that's over here. Nothing seemed to help this washer, and the repairman told me that I talked to that is probably the board. So there's two boards here. Here's one, and I guess there's another control board behind here where all these buttons are, but I can't get to it. So what I did is what I call a Japanese reset. I unplugged every one of those wires, every one I could see anywhere back in here. I unplugged them and then plugged them back in. I think maybe they call that a hard reset. I didn't want to buy a board if I didn't have to. They're quite expensive. So after I unplugged every one of those little wires back there and plugged them back in, I plugged the unit back in, and wouldn't you know, I'm on the 7th load right now, and it hasn't gave me the FH code one time. So I didn't see a video like this, but if you have an FH code and you've checked out your other little parts that are not working, or to make sure they're working, and they're working fine, then try that. Unplug each one of those wires, each and every one of them, and push them back in very firmly, just to be sure they are well seated. If they are well seated and there was a loose connection there, your problem's going to be fixed. Mine was, and I didn't have to buy a board. Thank you, everybody, and I hope this helps somebody.